what is something Jamaican call when them want you to show some affection? A troops or toops? Troops. Toops. Troops. Toops. Hi, I'm Ashley Mott, journalist and media personality, and this is a little toops. A little toops of advice that I will be sharing with you randomly. Now, in this video, may I talk you through Facebook marketing. Hold on. Before you count out Facebook, I know say you're not depend it, but hear what me I say. Just hear me out. Did you know that Facebook, especially for small business owners, Facebook allows you to track what your competition is doing? You ever really like somebody and you know say them a check with somebody else? And you just want to have an understanding of what they seen at the other person. And what about the other person them really like? And what the other person do? What them enjoy? And what the person say to them what they want to hear? Well, if you don't have a business page on Facebook, you're goodly missing out on what your competition is doing and what you need to be doing to get your customers to focus on you. And if you need a little more than a toops of advice, email info@livewellja.com.